Hello everyone, welcome to the guided meditation course for beginners. This beginner course is designed for people who have never practiced meditation, but person who meditates regularly will benefit from this course too. This course is an effortless, easy to practice guided meditation series that will help you confidently start your meditation journey. I'll begin by helping you focus clearly. So I will use a fundamental meditation technique to concentrate on breathing for the first few sessions. Once you master the method, we move towards practicing more advanced techniques like staying in moment, visualization, and manifesting. You will learn many techniques used by meditation gurus around the world. Mindful checking, mountain meditation, and calm ease breathing techniques are some of them to mention. I hope over time and practice, you will be able to enjoy your life like never before. Stay focused on your goals and share your love with the universe. So buckle up, let's get started. Today we'll begin with the most straightforward and oldest meditation techniques, focusing on breathing. All you need to do is focus on your breathing for 5 minutes. There is no particular position for this technique. Lie down, sit down, or whatever position you feel comfortable in will be good for this session. Make sure you will be comfortable for at least 5 minutes and your breathing will be easy. Are you ready? Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to settle in your position. Now gradually focus on your breathing. Notice how air moves through your nose and fill your lungs. Try to follow the air from the tip of your nose to the lungs. Let your breaths in and out naturally. If you are breathing deeply, that is fine. Or if your breath is shallow, that is okay too. Just keep the focus on the breathing sensation as close as possible. While you focus on breathing, you may feel sensation of your other body parts, sound around your environment, and the smell of the air. Notice those sensations, be an observer, and then return your focus to breathing. Please pay attention to the thought right the moment you hear my voice. It is almost inevitable to stop the chain of thoughts at the beginning. I'm certainly interrupting your ongoing thoughts, catching you thinking while attempting to pay attention to your breathing. Just notice this without judgment, then divert your attention to breathing. After all, judgment is another form of thinking. Every time you think about something other than focusing on breathing, notice it and return your focus to breathing. Keep repeating this process till the last moment of this session. Feel the next inhalation or exhalation. If you want, you can count 1 while breathing in and 2 while breathing out. I found it helpful for many cases. Okay, this will be the last breathing of this session. Breathe in and breathe out. Congratulations, you begin doing something extraordinarily simple yet powerful that could change your life. You can feel the change as we move forward to the end of this course. You'll feel calm, assertive, and relaxed every time you practice this. The best part of meditation is that you can perform it anywhere, anytime once you master it. Please stay tuned for the following sessions. If you like this meditation, share it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe. We got more meditation coming. Be happy, enjoy your life. Thank you.